In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see your Elo rating on chess.com, which is the most important number for any chess player looking to track their progress and improve their game. Whether you are a total beginner who just finished their first placement matches or a seasoned veteran climbing the ranks, knowing exactly where your rating stands across different time controls is essential for your growth. Understanding your Elo helps you find the right level of competition and lets you see the direct results of your practice and study sessions. If this video helps you navigate the platform better, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with all our chess tutorials and tips. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to open your browser and navigate to the chess.com homepage. Once you are logged into your account, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. At the very bottom of this navigation panel, you will see your profile picture and your username. For the first step, simply hover your mouse over or click on your username in the bottom left corner. This action will trigger a small pop-out menu with several options related to your personal account profile. From this menu, you want to carefully look for the option labeled Stats. Go ahead and click Stats. This is the central hub for all your performance data on the platform. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with a comprehensive overview of your chess journey. Now, for the third step, simply scroll down the page. As you scroll, you will see specific breakdown cards for different game types. This is where you will see your current Elo numbers for Rapid, Blitz, and Bullet formats, as well as your chess.com puzzle rating. Each category will show your current rating, your highest ever rating, and even a small graph representing your performance over time. This detailed view is perfect for identifying which time controls you excel in and which ones might need a little more work and study. For example, you might find that while your Rapid Elo is climbing, your Blitz rating has plateaued, which can help you decide what to practice next. This stats area is also where you can compare your ranking against your friends or the global leaderboard to see how you stack up against millions of players worldwide. Navigating this menu is the fastest way to get a bird's eye view of your competitive standing. Before we finish up, remember that these numbers fluctuate with every single game you play, so checking them regularly is a great way to stay motivated. If you ever find yourself on the home screen again and want a shortcut, you can also click on your username directly at the top of the right-hand sidebar where it displays your current active games. This will often take you to your main profile page where your primary ratings are also displayed prominently next to your avatar. Taking the time to analyze these stats can really make a difference in how you approach your training and your matches. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to see your Elo rating on chess.com and how to navigate the stats dashboard like a pro. Monitoring your Elo is the first step toward reaching that next milestone, whether it is hitting 1,000, 1,500, or even 2,000. If this video helped you find your ratings quickly, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful guides. Good luck with your games, and I will see you in the next video.